So if I'm planning to bring home fish to eat, after I catch the fish and I've determined I'm going to keep it, I make an incision or pull out with my fingers the gills to bleed the fish. That way when you go to fillet, the meat will not have blood in it. Begin by making a cut behind the gill plate to the spine. Then with the tip of your knife, run it along the spine, all the way down, almost to the back of the dorsal fin, at which point you push through past the last rib and follow through to separate the fillet. Then slowly, with the tip of your knife, work the fillet off the bones. When it's clear, cut through and away, and you have a perfect fillet. Repeat for the other side. Now with your fillet, with the scale still on, there's a small row of bones in here. We will cut away. And then starting near the base of where the tail was, using your fillet knife, work the skin away from the fillet. And you have a perfect boneless fillet.